Hi, you're watching Infrared. So we've added one of the traditional style REMs to our range. So the REM that you're looking at uses the traditional circuitry that many REM pods use, from around circular ones that are frequently seen to a lot of homebrew ones and ones that are sold on eBay. So this is our own spin on the device. You'll recognise the pitch and the different tones that the device gives off. So we've got an on and off switch and mode selection, and then in the back we've got a little 9-volt battery. I'm trying to clip that back on whilst looking at the camera screen. So we've also got an extendable antenna. So when we power the REM on, you'll see the 4 lights flash, and it'll acknowledge that we've turned it on by giving a little beep. So as the proximity gets closer, you'll see that the lights begin to change sequence and the tone begins to increase. So it'll go through green and then orange, and then it'll go orange to purple and to red. Obviously the appearance and the colour of the lights, the sequence of layout may actually change from time to time, but we'll try and keep them consistent. So the mode button, that will change to incremental. So you see, rather than the pitch being random, you'll see the sequence a lot clearer. So you start to see red, then it will red, orange, then it'll hop across to the purple from the orange, and then it'll go purple, red, and then back again, and then back to a standard mode. So you can turn it off as well using a little switch on the side. So they're a great device for sensing proximity. So they give radiates an electromagnetic field around the device, and when a body comes into contact with that, it earths that field and it interferes with that field, and then it obviously changes the tone and alerts the user visually and through the audible tone that something's broken that field. So it can be laid flat on its back, or it can be set up on its base. Okay, thank you for watching.